Hello, my name is Willoughby, and this is Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and I'm just going to bring up another, the third video, I think it is, on the court case that I have filed, and I got another response from the lawyers, about 5 pages here, and I don't think our city lawyers have much to do. I think they're glad to have me file this. It gives them something to do, because I think it's ridiculous, all this stuff here. And the thing of it is they sent me there's another 5 or 6 pages I never even looked at it. I wasn't going to read all that crap. Don't need it. And here, this one here they're sending now, they're putting in, they're asking to dismiss this case, don't go to court. Don't go to the court. We want to dismiss it now because of all these rules and stuff and this and the can. And they keep asking for proof. But in the very beginning, we're asking for a, I guess more of a exploratory. Maybe that should be to put it, but we're asking for proof too. Actually is what we're asking for. And we want to see how the outcome comes from a real do. The numbers are enough alone. When the attorneys from the city say they want proof, well, look at the freaking voting numbers and the reference. It drops 50%. There's something wrong. What more? And that's what we're talking about. That's the whole case. So mine dropped 90%. I don't buy it. 67 votes from 600 and something to 67. And that wasn't 600 just one time. That was twice going up. So the numbers. Maybe it's the machines. Okay, let's do that. I don't think so. I really think it's fraud personally, but like the attorney said, and like I said from the very beginning, we need proof. But they still keep sending out stuff here asking for, I don't have proof, I don't have witnesses. Let's see here. Response to disclosure. I'm not going to bother reading all this stuff, but it also says they're not seeking the recovered damages. So if you file a court case and you don't have it, I guess they can come after you for it, for their time, for what's costing here, that we already pay for with our tax dollars. And here's why I did it. And I heard someone else say this the other night at the Commissioner's Court. It's the system. And this is what I'm looking for people to help change the freaking system. Okay? It's wrong. It's not right. It's designed for the rich, and it does not assist the poor. Really does not. So it's not fair. It's not a just system. Court system's no way in the world just. It's not. We need to change the system, which I've been trying to do. With the commissioner in District 1, has not answered. I've sent a question to him, met with him about the small claims court. He's not answering. He's not going to answer. It needs to be modified. This is what I'm mainly working at. The system needs to be modified so that everyone that lives in the city of Fort Worth or Tarrant County can be treated fairly. This is an unfair system. It was put in by dishonest people, and it's being used by dishonest people. And going through the system, if I lose, that's okay. I'm just trying to make a point. If I lose the case, whatever, I knew from the beginning I probably would. Look what I'm going up against. Well, they're not real great attorneys, but they're apparently they got legal knowledge. They're getting paid to do this. They got time to go to the books. They're being paid by us. I'm not. So, I think it's very unfair. It's a very unfair system. And then if they get this knocked out, I lose $400 just for trying to do this. And all we're asking is a redo of the District 5 election with paper ballots. Because there's one or two things that is clearly that the attorneys cannot deny. No one denies it. Something's wrong. The voting dropped by 50%. Went up 4 cycles in a row and it drops by 50%. The city has not stopped growing. It's rapidly growing. So it dropped by 50%. Something's wrong. Either people stop voting, or there's voter fraud, or the machines are messed up. There's something wrong. And the best way to find out what's wrong is by the path and the method we're trying to use here through our legal system to redo the election and see how it comes out. And if the paper ballots come out reasonably close to what we had, I guess we could probably go ahead and eliminate fraud on the machines and let's put it on the people. They're not actually voting. It dropped by that. And I just don't buy that. It's hard to buy alone. Just by thinking it happened, I don't buy it when there's two other things it could be. So that alone, just saying that people stop voting alone is not enough. I need more proof than that. When there's two other, and then all the circumstances around the Tarrant County, the people that work there. Well, Clinton Lugwork has responded to my call again. I'm gonna contact him today. I'm gonna see if I can't set up a meeting the 14th. No, it's not the 14th. The 19th at City Hall at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I want to interview him between 5 and 6, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. First 30 minutes, I got some questions. The second 30 minutes, if anybody in the hall coming to the comment meeting wants to ask a question, if you're coming to that meeting, you want to ask, he's the Tarrant County's administrator. And so maybe you don't have no questions for him, but if you do have any questions, or you want to hear the questions I'm going to give and see how he answers, also we'll put it on tape. That's why we're going to film it and do it right there. And also I'm going to try to use that as a place to film more employees, candidates, everything. Well, let's use City Hall. Why not? It's a beautiful place to work at. Let's use it. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm calling him today, see if I can't get that scheduled for the 19th. We'll be there at 5 till 6. That's City Hall. You know, you look it up. It's not hard to find. And okay. But on this one about that, I just want to say they sent out more, and I'm putting the pages up here. There's page 1, and this one here goes through, well, we got this one up here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on there, the responses and stuff. It's on the screen. If someone wants to read them, they can. I don't know if it's any help to anybody or not. If it is, great. It's not a waste of time. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's one more with 12. So, you know, all this stuff, these attorneys from the city. And it's just amazing. It is amazing how they couldn't handle Fitzgerald's case. He was only a fired employee from the city. Did we have to hire an outside lawyer firm and pay him $2 million? What are these attorneys for? Someone like me. For you and me, the attorneys are for us because they can handle us. But if it's going up to someone, they don't, you know, they're not good attorneys. Anyway, this system needs to be changed big time, and that's what I'd like to see, change the system.